Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Fox Focus. It is time for another edition of Case or No Case. My name is Melanie Ricks, and I'm being joined by Jeff Pittman, attorney at PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing well. What do you have for us?
Well, first of all, I want to tell you I love the hair.
Thank you. I was going to say the same thing about yours.
Yeah, I'm sure you were. Okay, so the first one is a snowmobile scenario for you.
Okay.
Okay, do you snowmobile at all?
I do.
Okay, good. So here's the deal. You own some property, right? You own 10 acres, and you and your family, you like to snowmobile. Your 11-year-old son, for Christmas, you end up buying him a small snowmobile so he can snowmobile on his own. Now, just like anything else, if you're going to be driving a motorized vehicle, you have to take a course, right, to be able to operate that vehicle.
Right.
So your son is signed up for the course, but he has not taken it yet, okay? Now your neighbor, he also snowmobiles, right? And your neighbor wants to go from his yard, to his property, across your property to his friends on the other side of your house, okay? So he decides that he's going to cut across in his snowmobile onto your property. Okay? So your son, he's out riding his snowmobile too, not thinking there's going to be anybody else around. He's riding the snowmobile, your neighbor comes across the property, and your son ends up T-boning and plowing into the neighbor as he's driving his snowmobile across your property and gets really injured as a result of that.
Yeah.
So, case or no case against your son and you, the father, the parent, for the injuries that were suffered by your neighbor who was driving the snowmobile across your private property.
Unfortunately, because he caused it, no license, I would say there's a case.
There's probably not a case.
Really?
And here's the really important thing about that is that you did not give him permission to cut across.
True.
Okay? If you gave him permission, different deal. But without permission, he would be a trespasser. Okay? And under that scenario, trespasser wouldn't have any right to be there, and so there would be no duty to that person. So under this scenario, there would be no case.
Wow. Okay, that's a good one. Thank you so much for that, Jeff. And if you want to know whether or not you have a case, just dial the 3s. That's 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.